Inside this bag is the binoculars that I've been using for the last couple weeks. Here they are. Why don't you just take a look at the color of them. The texture is absolutely great. It doesn't feel plasticky here. It feels more soft. The coating on there is awesome, and it is waterproof as well. And the magnification, as you can see there, is 10x42, and the waterproofing. And when I take these caps off, these ones come completely off. You put them in your pocket. They feel very comfortable around your eyes, which is great. These come out and in, and you also have adjustment, excuse me, here as well. Once you bring it into your field of view, make those fine adjustments. Turn this for your other fine adjustments. The knobs are really easy to turn. This isn't like plastic, this is rubberized here. This is more plastic here. And of course your rubber eye cups. All right, you see the lenses here in the front, and what's kind of neat is that they hang down. You don't have to worry about losing them. They're already attached. The lenses themselves I find so good for outside. Clear, and the pictures are that you see from there is absolutely stunning. Now, I have not hooked up the device here. This allows you to take still shots with your cell phone mounted into there. I'm going to be doing that because these are that good, and I just love the views I'm getting. We have a lot of birds, so outside, and I'm going to be taking their pictures with these. I'm going to mount this, have this on a table, and get that set up for them. I've been just pleased with these so much because they just feel like a great pair of binoculars. It feels like the company really cares about their product. And the bag here as well is a great bag for storing them in. As you can see, they just go in there, and there they go. I realize when I take these outside in the morning, and I have these in the bag, my lenses are not fogged up in the morning. So I think that's great. Maybe they're adjusting slowly to the temperature. Maybe it's the coating they have on. I'm not sure, but it has been working absolutely phenomenal. It also comes with a strap as well if you desire to put that around there as well. So these are the binoculars. I wanted to show them to you because the case is very rugged as well. The binoculars will withstand the test of time, and just have really been enjoying them and the quality that they put into their lenses, and their optical zoom capability is really good.